Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to erase your Apple Watch 7. I have here the Apple Watch that's already connected to my iPhone. So let's get started. On your Apple Watch, press the crown button to go to the menu. In the menu, get to the settings. Tap General. Then scroll down to the bottom until you find the option Reset. Then tap Reset. So here it says erasing will not remove activation lock, which prevents someone else from using this Apple Watch if it is lost or stolen. To remove activation lock, first unpair the Apple Watch before erasing it. So guys, you can unpair the Apple Watch on the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. So I'll leave a link here for my video on how to unpair the Apple Watch. So to continue, tap Erase all content and settings. Here it says the same thing, that your activation lock will not be removed, but media, data and settings. So scroll down. You can cancel if you change your mind, but we are going to proceed. Let's tap Erase all. So it's loading and it's going to take some time. So it's done guys, it's fully erased now. You can pair it with your iPhone just by bringing the iPhone near to the watch. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. And make sure to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thank you.